Alright, what is up, guys? Today I will be going over how I lost $250 yesterday trading ES. It's kind of annoying because after I lost, I entered a second trade, but I moved my stop loss to break even because I was going to school and I just wouldn't have been able to manage my position. And it was so close to my first take profit, but then it ended up going down to break even, creating relatively equal highs at my take profit. It was already relatively equal highs. And then I ended up sweeping it and sweeping my other take profit. I would have been up like 200 yesterday, but I wasn't. So anyways, here's a trade I took. It's right here, I think. Yeah. So, okay, yeah. As soon as market opened, swept that low, instantly went to the 1 minute chart. Not that erase those drawings. I already marked out what I'm doing for today, but so market open, we swept it, yeah. And I entered off of this bracket structure and we closed above this high. It would have given them just a closure above that high would have entered. The thing is, maybe I probably shouldn't have taken that trade because we did close at one of my take profits, which was these relatively equal highs right here. I'm not gonna draw it out just because I'm about to erase everything. I already marked out my levels for today. But yeah, that was really it. And then as you can see, a fat candle came down, took it out. I also entered off of that, but then I moved my stop loss to break even. But as you can see, I shouldn't have done that because we did end up going my direction. Just it was unfortunate, but I'd rather lose 250 than have lost 500 on the day. So I don't know, I'm not tripping. Plus, I'm good at trading, so it'll come back. Plus, way more. I'm starting to like I kind of conditioned my brain to like not take profits too early. Because before I was just taking profits when it hit a certain number. Now I'm only taking profit when it hits a certain level, especially on ES, because ES tends to sweep the levels way more than Nasdaq do. Because it was like the leading index, and then once ES would sweep its take profit, Nasdaq would reverse with it, and that wasn't good for my strategy at all. Because then Nasdaq wouldn't take the level out as often as ES, and I'd lose more trades. On ES, I have a higher win rate. But anyways, today I'm looking for longs. I'm not. I'll post the video on today, tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's relatively equal highs. I kind of want us to be choppy until market opens, and then I'll take a long off of a liquidity sweep and a break of structure to the upside. And they might even hold higher because we still haven't swept all-time highs. I feel like we can get close to them today. Let's see the hour. Alright, yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm only gonna target these highs, and then if there's relatively equal lows, I'll target those, but it's really unlikely. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. That's how I lost 250, and I'll catch you.